Number 51 on page 262 is our first example in population models. This one asks us to use the table of values and assume the growth is exponential. And we're dealing with the city of Austin, Texas. And we want to know, when did the population of Austin surpass 800,000 persons? So we're going to use a basic exponential function. So that'll look like this. So I'm going to use P of T for population. Is going to be the initial population, P sub 0, times some growth factor to the T power. And T is going to be in years. So the first thing we want to do is figure out what our initial population is. Looking at the table, we have to use the population in the beginning year because that's what the model is based on. So 1990. So the initial population in Austin that we're working with is 465,622 people. The next thing we need to do is find out how many years have passed for our T value. So the year we're using is 2011, and we have to find the difference between that and our initial year, which is 1990. So that makes our T equal to 21 years. Then from there, what we have to do is substitute that information that we have into our equation. So we have P sub 0 and we have T, and then we can solve for B and find our growth factor. So P of 21 is going to equal our 465,622 people times B to the 21st power. So we have in year 2011, we have 820,611 people is equal to 465,622 times B to the 21st power. So we're going to solve this for B. So we get 820,611 divided by 465,622 is equal to B to the 21st power. Now we have to take the 21st root of B. So we're going to take the 21st root of 820,611 divided by 465,622 is going to be B. So when we do that, we get a B of 1.03 is our B. So our equation is going to be, so this will be step 4, P of T is equal to 465,622 times 1.03 to the T power. Now we want to know, when did this equal 800,000 people? And the easiest way to find that is to find the intersection of 800,000 and our function in the graphing calculator. And when we do that, we get a T value of 20.3. So it was during the year. So we'll take 1990 plus 20, and we get the answer, which is 2010. That the population of Austin exceeded or surpassed 800,000 person.